As many of you know, Apex has been doing some really great stuff with triggers for a number of years, and in the last year or so they've introduced some great trigger options for the Walther, for the Glock. I've got a lot of Apex parts in my M&P guns. This right here is the Glock version Apex trigger, and you can see it's got a flat face on it versus the curved shape of the regular Glock pistol. And for me, it's nice because it just is a different feel, and it's like the position of my finger on the face of the trigger just feels different. It's like there's more contact, and there's just a different, more positive tactile feeling from my standpoint, from my perspective. So I put the gun trigger in this gun a couple weeks ago, and I've just been shooting it a little bit, and I like it. And I've got steel out there. And because of the setup here, of course, the red dot on it, and makes it pretty easy. But as far as the way the trigger itself it feels very, very good. And to me, it's a more of a, almost like you get the flat face 1911 triggers. They just feel good from my perspective in the way in which I engage the face of the trigger. So getting lots of, no problem. We'll get another camera out there, but I'm hitting steel, no problem whatsoever, just banging it. And I really think a lot of that has to do with the way in which the trigger itself feels and fits on my hand. So guys, you're probably saying, well, what's wrong with that gun? Nothing's wrong with the gun. They're just my reloads. I loaded a bunch in a hurry last night, didn't seat all the primers. We'll shoot those again or reseat the primers, and they'll be good to go. As you can see though, this trigger makes it very easy in combination with the red dot to just get hits. Well guys, there you go. That's a quick look at the Apex Glock trigger. Again, Gen 4, G17. Really liking this trigger. It feels good. It's easy to get quick, effective hits on target, especially with the red dot optic. It's almost cheating. Thanks so much for watching. As always, stay safe.